Today we are going to make a quick, simple and easy instant one pot recipe. It is Paaye ka Salan and the ingredients for which are in a pressure cooker. Take 2 pie, 1 cup of onion paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 cup of mustard oil, 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 'salt to taste, 1 bay leaf, 1½ liters of water, 1 cinnamon stick. Mix everything nicely. We are going to cover the lid and pressure cook it for 2 whistles and then lower the flame for 1 hour. We are going to make a garam masala paste. For that we need 2 black cardamoms, 3 green cardamoms, 1 small piece of mace, 5 cloves, quarter teaspoon of black peppercorns and half cup of fried onions. Grind it to a fine paste and reserve it for later. It is done. Now we are going to add our prepared garam masala paste. Give it a mix. Then we are going to add some chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, fried onions. We are going to mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our Paaye ka Salan is ready. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, green chilies and fried onions. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up.